Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a little beauty haul. Just some goodies that I picked up for like skincare, for nails, for hair, and accessories too. I am so excited to show you everything. And so if you love makeup, if you love all things beauty, and if you love a beauty haul, affordable one too, please continue watching this video.
I really wanna try to get to know you, but my heart won't let me cross the line. I need a new supply.
Okay, you guys, let's start off with the antibacterial hand wipes. I love these. I had a different scent before. It was pomegranate. This one is wild berry. So I just use it just for a quick moment, just to like quickly clean up my hands, especially when I'm doing my nails. Like I'm filing down my nails, it just gets everywhere. This is just a quick way to just clean it up. Okay, next is this Skin Boosters Renewing Foaming Cleanser. It has retinol and it has vitamin E. Now, the only reason why I love this, it does have a little scent. I really don't like cleansers with scent, but I love that it's a foaming cleanser for the face because when I wear makeup, I just feel like foaming cleansers work so good. After using like my makeup wipes to remove makeup, I always go in with a foaming cleanser most of the time if I have one on deck, and also has retinol and vitamin E, so I'm all for it, okay? And I got this from Ross, and it was, I think it was about like $6.99. All right, this next item that I have for the face is called Amora. I got this from Five Below, and it's called the Makeup Meltdown milk cleanser. So it has vitamin E, shea butter. Now this one I just purchased. I haven't used it yet. It's supposed to leave your skin radiant. I'm going to try it out soon, so make sure you check out the vlog. I'm going to try it out. We're going to see how it works. So the next thing that I have here is an ice cooling face stick. Oh, I love a cooling face stick. I have one from Wet n Wild and it works pretty good. It's really cooling as soon as you touch the face, and it really doesn't get really warm either. It stays really cool. So it's in a cucumber scent. I cannot wait to use this. And so it has hyaluronic acid and caffeine in it as well. Okay, this is a lip scrub and it's in the gummy bear scent. I cannot wait to use this one. It's so cute too in this purple little tube. So now we are moving on to hair products of my favorite, okay? This is the Batiste, okay? This is a cherry scent called Cheeky Cherry Dry Shampoo. I love Batiste. When you put it on and then you like flat iron your hair, it really does give a lot of body. So one of my favorite dry shampoos, and affordable too. I could not resist. I couldn't resist this right here. I had to buy it. I've never really used a hair wax stick. This is called Amora Slick Trick. Okay. Slick Trick Hair Wax Stick. Okay, and I cannot wait to use this. No flyaways. I'm interested. And I can't believe I didn't use it today, but yeah, I can't wait to try this out. And this is from Five Below as well too. Okay, I had to pick this one up. I had to. This is an Edge Wax biotin infused, and it is a honey scented, and this is from Dollar Tree. And I've used Dollar Tree's Edge Control and I love it. I pick up a jar every time I go in there, so I'm excited to try this one out. I feel like it may be pretty good. Honey scented too, I like that. When I tell you that I was fully obsessed as soon as I laid eyes on these hair accessories that I'm going to show you, they are so cute. This is from Dollar Tree. This is hair scrunchie, only $1.25. Look how cute it is. That is my vibes. It has like this little gold, like little accent on it all through the scrunchie. Look at these scrunchies with the bows on there, with the pink bow. And this one is just a plain pink one, but it's sheer. This is gonna be so cute with my hair in a ponytail. I can't wait to wear this one. This one is my vibe. I'm loving it. The last two hair accessories that I have, I'm going to show you this one first. I'm loving it. It is so cute. This is so pretty. I love it. So it has a clip in the back. AliExpress. So I was looking on there like getting some glasses, and I was like, ooh, I have to pick this up. So I'm literally obsessed with this. I have an idea of how I want to wear it, but yes, very cute. Okay, so next up I have this pedicure set. It's so cute. It has hearts on it. It has the nail clippers and filers. I'm actually really excited to show you guys this one right here. And look at these nails that I found at Dollar Tree. $1, okay? They are called, do they have a name? Oh, they're Ioni Nails. I'm not sure if I botched the name, if it's Ioni or Ioni. But that is a popular brand at the Dollar Tree, and these are the nail art tips. So freaking cute. They only have like 12 in the pack, and you might want to have an extra one just in case you break a nail or want to put more of another color on one hand. So I picked up 2, but these are so pretty. I couldn't resist it. As you see my nails right now, black and pink, this was right up my alley. And this item right here, I am super obsessed with. I had to get it. I would not been able to get the nail art that I have on my nails right now. So this is a nail art little kit. It has like pearls, bows of all colors. I have cherries over here. Like it comes with the pearls and everything. Even little rhinestone bows right here. So this was no more than like $5. Yeah, so check them out on Amazon. I will be making sure that I put everything in my description and down below. Okay, so this is more of a bonus one. I wasn't going to show these products only because I have a lot of them, but I'm going to show it to you guys really quickly because I think they are a game changer. And I'm also wearing some that I'll show you in a little bit. So these Lunar Zodiac Lash of Gold. So this is the rabbit style. Okay, so it has a little theme here, the Lunar Zodiac. And these are called Halfling lashes, okay? So there are not many in there, as you can tell. So it's not going to be a full strip. You just place them right in the middle. That's what I was thinking about doing. Right here is the ox design. And as you can tell, both of them are not black lashes. They are brown lashes, okay? I have been wearing brown lashes recently for a little bit. I used to wear them probably about 2 years ago, and I was obsessed with them. So I was just thinking about how I was going to start wearing brown mascara. And I was like, okay, I love lashes. I like to put on the lashes. I like the whole concept of having on like a falsie. So I decided to pick these up, and I have been obsessed ever since. Then I decided to go on Amazon and I purchased a full set. Look, and I have them on right now. Like, brown lashes are tea, baby, okay? I love them. I just think that they are a little subtle without, like, they still give you the drama, but a little subtle, playful drama, you know? And I think they just give off a really soft vibe. I cannot wait to try the Halfling lashes. I cannot wait. Video coming soon? Maybe. I'll list them down below. I did purchase more black lashes, so I will still be wearing black lashes. This one here is called the Wispy Cluster Light. These are Ioni's too. I hope I always say it right. I always say that in my videos. Am I saying it correctly? These are clear soft band, and they're 2-in-1, strip lash or cut into individual lashes. So I'm excited about these. Very, very pretty. And of course, they're all like a faux mink lash. And it's so pretty. It's called the Baby Fox Curls Half Lashes. Oh my goodness, so pretty. It says reusable, okay? Reusables, light foxy crisscross half lashes. These are also halfling lashes as well. Fluffy, very demure, you hear me, okay? Look at these, cute, very, very cute. Very, very much obsessed, okay? And then this one here is called the Iolor London Wild and Wispy. This also has glue in there. I do not use the glue at all. Okay. So freaking cute. And I am going to be wearing so many brown lashes though. I said I was only going to show you guys accessories. This is the last one. This is the last thing I'm going to show. But this one, look at those. They have a little bow in there. Okay, I need to wash them. They're a little bit dusty. I have not used them, but look how cute. A little bow for my bar. And I just think this would be really cute on like a cute little glammy bar. Love these so much. I have literally been obsessed with bows lately, and that's just what I'm into. You see, even my shirt has bows. They're red with teddy bear. So cute. And I cannot wait to try everything that I have not tried in this haul. I think I only used maybe one or two, and everything is super affordable, you guys. There's nothing that's too like expensive to buy. Everything is like pretty much under $10. Some under $5, $2. Like not bad at all, right? All right, you guys. So that's pretty much everything in my haul for today. I want to know, what is your favorite product that you love the most? Let me know down below. And don't forget to show your girl some love. Hit that subscribe button so that we can hang out more. And I will see you guys in my next video.
I really wanna try to get to know you, but my heart won't let me cross the line. I need a new